How to set a default start layout for users in Windows 10. Customizing the Start menu in Windows 10 helps users work more efficiently, but in shared, public, or enterprise environments, consistency is critical. In this video, we'll walk through how to set a default Start menu layout using XML and group policy tools. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Exporting a custom Start menu layout. The Windows 10 Start menu is highly customizable, but sometimes it's better to enforce a consistent layout, especially in education, enterprise, or public-facing environments. Setting a default layout ensures users always see the apps you want them to see. Start by arranging your ideal Start menu layout. Pin and group apps, arrange live tiles or folders, and choose whether the menu appears full screen or as a panel. Once it's ready, you'll export this configuration. Right-click the Start button and open PowerShell. Run this command. This creates an XML file with your current layout. Move the file somewhere accessible to all users, like the C drive or a shared folder. To enforce the layout, use the local group policy editor. Type gpedit.msc into the Run dialog. Then navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Start menu, and Taskbar. Double-click Start Layout, set it to Enabled, and enter the path to your XML file. Hit OK and restart the PC to apply the change. To apply the layout to specific users instead of all users, edit the same setting under User Configuration instead. You can also deploy this through Active Directory or a centralized RMM platform. Using Windows Registry Editor. Prefer using the Registry Editor? Here's how. Navigate to hkey_local_machine/software/policies/Microsoft/Windows/Explorer. There, add two values, locked start layout DW or RD set to 1, and start layout file, expandable string, with the path to the XML file. Reboot to apply. Troubleshooting default Start menu layout issues. If users report issues, verify the XML file path is correct and accessible. Check that users have read permissions to the file. Re-export the XML file if it was edited manually. Confirm that the correct users or groups are targeted if using group policy. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to set a default Start layout in Windows 10, linked in the description below.